Welcome to the first podcast of this year. Welcoming Miss Aiman Rashid, who is into real estate, and let's hear from her. What is her view as a point, as an investor, what she has to tell to the audience? Welcome to the show.
Thank you, Shahnaz, for
Mm,
having me here today.
mm,
My name is Aiman Rashid. I have been involved real estate,
mm.
investing and marketing analysis in Dubai for several years. This podcast is about sharing a practical insight that helps the investors. There's clearly no selling here. We are just discussing how investment can help them for long term. Just a clear conversation around the strategy, risks, and fundamentals. I came in real estate from an investor mindset, not for selling. I have spent years analyzing deals,
Mm.
market, and what actually works there. So, this is not the place for hype. This is the place for logics, numbers,
Mm.
and honest conversation.
Okay.
If you value clarity
Mhm.
over the convincing, then definitely you are at the right place.
Okay. First thing first. So, for someone who is new to Dubai, how to decide whether to go for an off plan property or a ready to move in home?
When someone is new to Dubai, especially in real estate, the first thing he has always don't start choosing
Mhm.
property types.
Mhm.
Start understanding the market.
Okay.
Start understanding yourself
Mm.
and what is your perspective on what perspective you want to go to the real estate.
Mhm.
Okay. The second thing is that comes in the market is two types. If you are an investor with cash in your hand,
Okay.
or
Mm.
you're an investor
Mm.
who is not having a full cash in the hand,
Okay.
but he wants to invest in real estate market.
Mm. Mm.
So there you have to take a pause and understand. Before
Okay.
you will rush,
Mm.
you need to take a pause, understand market. There's a two things. One thing is you want to immediate return, or you want something which will give you a return after certain time.
Okay.
That's called
Mm.
off plan and
Okay.
ready property.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
These are two things.
Okay.
When it comes to off plan, you have to understand there must be some risk on that.
Mm.
See, we can say off plan and ready, there are two options. I usually got some people asking me, is it off plan risky? Yes.
Okay.
But in what ways?
Mm.
You need to wait. You don't know what will be the market at that point.
True.
But when there's a risk, you have to understand how much risk you can tolerate.
Mm.
It's not the same moment like I'm investing and I'm getting out of this. No, if you have a cash in your hand, definitely we
Mm.
can go something which is ready,
Okay. Okay.
where you can start immediate
Mm.
rentals. But when it comes to off plan,
Mm.
for the long term investment, it's a really good. But
Okay.
again, you have to choose it wisely.
Mm.
There should be a smart selection.
Okay.
So, ready property is stable. You
Mm.
can say it's stable, but usually less upside in short term. If we simplify,
Okay.
it's off plan. Is it about future
Mm.
growth? And ready is a present income. That's the
Okay.
difference. Now, it depends upon the person,
Mm.
depends upon the investor, how he want to take it.
Okay. Okay. So since Dubai is evolving for a long time, so in your perspective as an investor, is this the right time to invest? Like 2026 is the right time to invest, or people have are behind, or we can still wait for the good time to like come for the investment. So what's your thought process on this?
See, as per my perspective, as per I have analyzed market from several years,
Mm.
yes, it's still good time to invest in Dubai.
Okay.
Now, you see, Dubai market is still booming, but not every opportunity
Mhm.
within the booming market is good investment. And
So,
always remember
Mhm.
one thing. I won't just point out here one thing. Booming market
Mm.
amplifies both good and bad decisions,
Okay. Mm.
which is why investors not urge,
Okay. Mm.
and we should keep always in the mind that market rewards prepared investors,
Mm.
not rush ones.
Okay. Okay. So, as per your expertise, what kind of trends or improvements in the market, in Dubai market in 2026, you are able to see?
See, in Dubai market, prices and rents are still rising.
Mm.
It's not like it stopped, but in a healthier way.
Okay. Mm.
Okay. And demands remain strong, especially from end users and long term investors. Who is a long term investor,
Mm.
especially for them. If you see the fundamentals of real estate, now it is like it depends what you're choosing,
Mm.
especially what is in demanding.
Mm.
So if you'll see the end user, that is more demanding. And in 2026, you will see
Mm.
definitely it will be more demanding.
As a whole, we can see that Dubai's market is evolving. But as an investor, do you suggest any specific communities or places which is evolving or booming in a way more expected as per your experience?
As an investor, I can see there's a two type of investors. One who want to invest in luxury,
Okay.
then definitely I will suggest them go for Creek Harbors,
Mm.
which you can see.
Okay.
And one which is an investor,
Hmm.
they just want to invest and get a return, then I can suggest go for Dubai South. You see everyone like Dubai South. If you will see 2 years, 3 years before,
Hmm.
and the prices are still underrated,
Okay.
then it's a good for an investment purpose for end use. Boom.
Mm. Okay.
So in luxury phase, we can say like this Creek,
Mm.
Dubai Island, Maritime City, Rashid Marina. These are few areas which the luxury segment can get good returns out of this, and
Okay.
and it's still
Mm.
booming. It's still in an initial phase, and for sure about Palm Jabal Ali,
Mm.
which takes a long time, but again it will be a good investment.
Okay. So when it comes to returns, as an investment for real estate, sorry, I'll do it again. When it comes to returns for investors, what will be the realistic rental incomes? I would say
You mean to say as realistically we can see what will be ROIs?
yes.
Okay. See, when we talk about investment and we talk about ROIs, two types of one is an ROE
Mm.
and one is an ROI.
Mm.
Okay. If you will see ROI, that is return on investment,
Yeah.
it will be in a healthier way. Okay. So we can expect depends upon the investment. Now, how these two things affect.
Mm.
For example, you are an investor and you want to invest. You have chosen an investment and you want to invest and you want to get ROI. So it's a simple, very simple. You will get 5% to 8%. Depends on the
Mm.
community, depends upon the locality. But if you don't are not an investor like who don't want to wait, then
Okay.
it's ROI.
Mm.
It's still good investment. Like you can get good ROI,
Mm.
return on equity,
Okay.
where you're spending a
Mm.
half of price of your
Mm.
investment and you are getting a return out of that. Now, if you will see the long-term rentals,
Mm.
for example, residentials, you can expect 5 to 8 in between.
Okay.
Again, it depends upon the location, property type, and the more important thing, which is the entry price.
Okay.
What is your entry price? If your entry price is very good, then definitely you are gonna get a good ROI.
Hmm.
But that's why
Okay.
I told you before,
Hmm.
it's a planned. It's not
Okay.
like you will be in a rush. No, it's a plan. When you are in a planned way, definitely you are gonna
Okay.
get a good return.
How do ROI and ROE factors into choosing the property? Hmm.
For you as a investor, if you want to invest like for a long term, then you have to wait for return on investment,
Okay.
definitely.
Hmm.
But when you are an investor who don't want in wait for a long term,
Mm-hmm.
who just want to keep it up for like 1 to 2 years,
Okay.
then
Hmm.
put it just invest the money and take it after certain times. They are taking it and selling it in the market, and they are getting return on
Hmm.
equity. So the both is it's like how you are planning it and what is your perspective. Are you want to wait? Are you want to invest your full money?
Mm-hmm.
Because again, it depends your capital.
Okay. Hmm.
So that differentiates.
Hmm.
Some people, they I have seen some investors, they have for example, I have a 5 million of budget. So I have kept it's in my lobby. I have seen the people, they just keep it for the certain time.
Okay.
Like these are 5 properties we know,
Hmm.
and the property price is like 10 million,
Hmm.
and they know entry and they know exit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
The most important point is here,
Mm-hmm.
you should know when to enter and what is your exit plan.
Okay. I got it. Got it.
So there they invest,
Hmm.
they played it very well.
Hmm.
They know the property value is 10 million.
Hmm.
They have a capital in 5 million,
Hmm.
and they got a good return out of that because they planned it.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
So
Okay.
that's the differentiate between. And some other people, like you say, some investors, they just want to buy the property,
Hmm.
and no, I don't want to take this hassle.
Okay.
I just want to
Hmm.
buy a property and keep it for the long term rentals and relax myself.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
these are the different personalities, you can say.
Okay. Okay. It's interesting. Do payment plans or financing options make a big difference in your investing strategy? What is your opinion about this?
You mean to say payment plan
Okay.
make an investment easy,
Okay.
but it cannot make your investment as a good investment.
Mm.
You will see in a market, there is so many fancy payment plans.
Hmm.
That doesn't mean they will make your investment as a successful investment. Yes, it makes easier if you
Okay.
want to go for finance.
Hmm.
If it's an end user, they want to go for finance. They want to take the finance from the bank, or the people as especially end users. Yeah, for the end users, payment plan effect
Hmm.
that
Yeah.
matters a lot because it is not draining them financially.
Okay. Okay.
But despite of your choosing a payment plan,
Hmm.
it should be
Hmm.
a wise decision.
Okay.
Like you should not go behind hype.
Okay.
No, this is a good payment plan. This is an offer.
Hmm. Hmm.
You will not get in the market. No,
Okay.
no.
Hmm.
You should first, okay, take offers.
Okay.
There's no harm
Uh,
by taking offers,
okay.
but you have to understand
Hmm.
this is a payment plan. Okay. But is it really good investment? Where is the investment?
Okay. Hmm.
See, my point is if I'm investing somewhere
Hmm.
and I have a goal tomorrow to get something out of this.
Hmm.
So when I have an exit plan, first of all, I should know who will buy it and why they will buy it.
Hmm. Hmm.
So that is payment plan is giving you uh, an add-on on this.
Hmm.
But we cannot say payment plan makes your
Hmm.
investment
Okay.
good. No,
Hmm.
it is you have to understand both things. You have to understand together.
Okay. What are the most common mistakes that first time investors make?
We can say the first time.
Hmm.
You mean to say the first time
Yeah.
buyers, or see if you are a first time buyer
Hmm.
and you want to invest,
Hmm.
the biggest mistake which investors are doing buying emotionally
Okay. Hmm.
instead of strategically. Common mistakes are including in this:
Hmm.
chasing behind discount, which is a hype,
Hmm.
instead of demand,
Okay. Hmm.
overestimating rental income,
Okay. Hmm.
and underestimating service charges.
Hmm. 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 Okay. Got it.
A good investment, as I already explained you, a good investment should make on a paper before it feels exciting.
Okay. Hmm.
But investment, we should see
Hmm.
the logicals, understand.
Hmm.
Then you can invest as a successful investor.
So, investment, buying a property or off plan, everything is fine. But when it comes to managing the property, what would you suggest? Managing by your own or giving it to your company to manage it? So, which is the best solution to go for as an investor?
See, both things are fine
Hmm.
as long as the investor is here.
Hmm.
He is already managing certain properties.
Okay.
It is not hectic for him.
Hmm.
Then he can manage it by himself.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
But if the you are not locally present here,
Hmm.
you are from overseas,
Okay.
I think you should hand over your property to some authority.
Hmm.
I know it will be there will be small charges,
Hmm.
but at the end that doesn't make sense, that small charges, because if your property is in a correct
True.
hands,
Hmm.
it is performing well.
Hmm. Hmm.
At the end, everyone needs
Hmm.
return.
Hmm.
If it's performing well, then I don't think so. As overseas investors,
Hmm.
they should, point these small things, because at the end they should see the outcome.
Okay. Hmm.
So as an if I even if I'm locally present here
Hmm.
and I'm an over busy person, I have 2-3 properties, but my basic, I'm not an investor who is just focusing on property only.
Okay.
Then no, I won't suggest you
Hmm.
manage by yourself. Give a small piece of cake to them, let them manage,
Okay.
and let enjoy
Hmm.
the returns.
Okay. 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 So I am an expat who is planning to buy a property here.
Mm-mm.
And how much research or knowledge I should possess to do an investment and also which is right for me?
See, as a first time buyer, research, investigation, it's a key point for you.
Okay.
First time buyer, don't be rush
Hmm.
towards with investment. No, I want to invest. I have seen multiple people, they just want me, no, we have money, so please suggest us something. Okay. So at the end, we will be not having something in the no, we will be investing. No,
Yeah.
don't be in a rush.
Okay.
Understand first.
Okay.
Understand the market.
Hmm.
Okay. Understand the terminology.
Okay. Hmm.
These are the points
Hmm.
which will help you.
Hmm.
But once you understood all this,
Hmm.
then don't delay.
Okay.
Take the time.
Hmm.
I mean, take months.
Hmm.
Take consultation. Okay, take
Okay.
consultation. There is a multiple, market. You will see
Hmm.
people are ready to give you the information. Take information.
Hmm.
Gather it. I am for instance, I'm telling you something.
Hmm.
Okay, I'm telling you these are the things which you're gonna this, blah, blah, blah. No,
Hmm.
gather the information, then understand,
Okay.
then do research by themselves.
Hmm.
Because when you're doing research by yourself,
Hmm.
okay, then you're coming to me, Aiman, I have done this research.
Okay.
Now tell me, is
Hmm.
it correct
Hmm.
or I'm wrong? Should I go for it?
Hmm.
So at that is the point
Hmm.
where experts are suggesting you, and that point experts suggestion will matter for you,
Okay.
because early stage when you are, I have seen the people who are saying, oh, we are getting multiple calls. Now we are getting confused whether we choose this, whether we go for this. Everybody is showing us,
Yeah.
hey, this is the property, this is hot selling, this is this, this is.
Yeah.
I'm saying, no,
Mm.
don't go for a rush.
Mm.
Relax, take a pause, give months to your research. But
Okay.
once it's done,
Mm.
because too much,
Mm.
research is also risky because you will get the multiple things.
Okay.
Then analyze that points
Mm.
and see, take a pen and paper and write down each and every point.
Okay.
Okay, if I'm investing here,
Mm.
what will be the outcome? Okay, what is the feedback? Go the
Okay.
feedback, check the
Mm.
feedback,
Mm.
check
Mm.
previous history.
Okay. Mm.
So that is the first time investors
Okay.
should start and end. But once you understood things, then take the step.
Okay. So this podcast is really going in a way, or as you said, it's an educational podcast. You're not selling anything here, because so far I have heard from real estate people that when it comes to this kind of questions, that this is the right property to invest, they will just tell them whatever the properties they are selling. But
Exactly.
you are the first person who have told that the buyer has to do a research before coming to an agent.
Yes,
Yes.
definitely.
So because
Definitely.
most of the agents don't suggest that. They just tell that I'm there for you. You just no need to have that kind of clarity in the market.
Okay.
I will tell you what is best for you, what is your background, what is you are expecting, and I will suggest you what is best for you. But I guess as per your conversation, what I can understand that you are just trying to deliver to people already. They know what they want,
Exactly.
and you are trying to give them the right thing for them.
Then once you will be done with your research,
Yes. Yeah.
then my suggestion matters for them.
True. Hmm.
Then at least they will come to know
Mm.
as an investor point of view,
Mm.
because they have done the previous research.
True.
Okay.
True. Mm.
They will come to know,
Mm.
no, now I'm a correct,
Mm.
on correct path.
Yeah.
I'm getting the, correct information,
Mm.
which is already he have got it from multiple resources.
Sure. Sure. Mm.
That's my advice
Mm.
to the first time investors.
Mm.
The first time investors, they have a feeling that we won't invest.
Mm.
It's a kind of, emotions.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
We cannot see always there is the investors who are having millions or billions. No, there's a small investors
Yeah.
who want to invest to 1 million or 2
Mm.
million. He also has emotions.
Yeah.
Okay, their things are attached with emotions.
Correct.
So my suggestion specially is for them.
Okay.
Don't trust. I'm not against anyone in the market. See, market agents, they are performing very well. They are doing, I have seen the agents, they are really genuine.
Mm.
They are really genuine.
Okay.
They just want a long-term relation.
Mm.
But again, trusting is a good thing. But trusting with blind eyes is not good thing.
Mm. True. True. Agree.
Because when you are an emotion,
Mm.
you are making some little mistakes.
Yeah.
Then you need to hold your emotions, understand.
Mm.
Okay, I always tell my who's asking me the suggestions, I always say, calm,
Mm-hmm.
relax, take a pause, do these things,
Mm.
then come to me and ask me
Mm.
what you want.
Mm.
After certain things, because you're at the end, you are investing, I'm not investing.
Yeah.
At the end,
Mm.
the burden will be on your shoulders,
Mhm.
not on my shoulders,
Mm.
or someone else.
Yeah. Yeah. Got it. Got it. Got it.
Which is why
Mm.
people are having a bitter experience.
Mm. True.
I have done this investment.
Mm.
And moreover, they have to see their perspective.
Mm.
If we are investing in this specific projects, what will be the outcome?
Okay. Mm. Mm.
So these things, as in a first buyer,
Okay.
first time investor,
Mm.
they have to roll out.
Okay. That sounds good. So moving on to the next question. What is your personal favorite investment strategy in Dubai's real estate?
See, one of the most important lesson which I have learned from my investment that looked perfect on paper,
Mm.
great marketing, flexibility in payment plan, strong promises,
Hmm.
but exit was not clear.
Okay.
When markets slow down,
Hmm.
your all liquidity is getting disappear. The experience taught me
Hmm.
that an investment is only as good as there is an exit plan. So since every decision I make start with one questions, if I had to exit,
Hmm.
okay, then tomorrow who is going to buy and why they are going to buy it?
Hmm. Hmm.
And moreover, like other investors,
Hmm.
I was chasing behind discount, offers,
Hmm.
hypes.
Hmm.
No, it doesn't make your investment
Okay.
perfect.
Hmm.
Investment is only discount you're getting. So people saying, no, there's a discount, there's a discount, there's a discount, come buy.
Hmm. Hmm.
But is it really worth
Hmm.
if there's a discount?
Hmm.
Okay, discount, it's good.
Hmm.
It's like you put some spices
Yeah.
and eat
Yeah.
something
Yeah. Yeah.
which give you a flavor,
Uh-huh.
because it's a human nature, it's a human psychology. Even as a woman, when we are going out,
Mm-hmm.
when we are going for shopping,
Hmm.
if we are not getting something, so we feel something is missing. But on basis of certain discount, take the decision, no.
Okay.
Yeah, sometimes there is a really something good,
Hmm.
but which is again, you have to understand. As an investor, I have gone through.
Hmm.
These things I have previously gone through.
Okay.
So now, if there is a discount or if there is some good, exciting offers,
Hmm.
something,
Hmm.
okay, I'll keep it. I'll not ignore it.
Hmm.
But first of all, I will understand this is okay. If I'm getting this, this is okay. But is this really worth on basis of this? I'm not going to take that.
Hmm.
But
Okay.
if it's a combo,
Hmm.
it's a combination,
Okay.
then definitely yes.
So, can you share a success story or a lesson you learned from a past investment?
Uh, yes. I had an experience which was one of my friend.
Hmm.
That was a, we can say, we learn from our mistakes.
Hmm.
And we all, at the end, we all are human.
Hmm.
We should not deny that somebody is having, expertise, but we are become expert when we did a mistake.
Okay.
Yes, there is a certain mistakes which
Hmm.
we figured out at the later point
Hmm.
in certain areas.
Hmm.
No, we did a mistake. We shouldn't invest in these areas, which was completely, at the end we figured it out, but that was a biggest lesson of my life,
Okay.
where I am, on basis of that experience, I am always suggesting, my honest suggestion is always with the people, don't be in rush.
Hmm.
Don't be in rush, don't be in emotions.
Hmm.
See the practically things, analyzed by yourself. Because as early I said, market is good, but market is good only for those who is
Hmm.
prepared investors. Not, hey, everybody is buying, oh, come, everybody is buying in Dubai, Dubai real estate is.
Yeah.
No, you have to come with the full preparation.
Hmm. Okay.
Mistakes happen. I cannot say mistakes will not happen. That will
Okay.
happen. But it should not the mistake who's ruined someone's life.
Hmm.
These are small mistakes if you have a, small up down,
Okay.
but a huge difference can ruin someone's who had, been years for waiting
Hmm.
to invest
Yeah.
somewhere.
True. Hmm.
So
That could be a really challenging.
that could
Yeah.
be a challenging for the
Hmm.
person, and the
Hmm.
person will be shattered for whole
Yeah.
life.
True.
So it's not like, if we will see, even if it's for a person who is a wealthy person,
Hmm.
for them millions will also, billions will also affect.
Hmm.
But for the person
Hmm.
whose reach is still millions,
Hmm.
means a small amount will also affect them. So their investment should be under in certain conditions. You see, no, and always they have to consider their minds,
Okay.
prepare for that. There is a risk in market, and there is always risk. Despite of your taking ready property, despite of your taking off plan property, despite of your investing in luxury, despite of your investing in underrated areas, both places there is
Okay.
risk. But how much risk you can tolerate?
Okay.
If is the risk which is above your tolerance, no. If the investment is, damn good,
Okay.
but there is a risk which is above your tolerance, don't take it.
Okay. If you could give one piece of advice to someone starting in real estate today, what would it be?
I'll say, come, explore the market, especially if it's international investor. First of all, come, explore the market, see things practically.
Okay.
Rather than I'm explaining you, someone else is explaining you, you're explaining them. No, come, see.
Okay.
Because when you see something practically, things will be easier for you. Okay? Understand all things.
Okay.
Go back, take your pen and copy,
Okay.
put it in Excel sheet, whatever is visible for you. Go there, check and invest. But understand, don't be rush.
Okay.
But if you are overthinker, it's also risky. Then you won't be able to,
Take a
invest.
decision. Yeah.
No, not at all. Because two things, thinking and overthinking. Wisely thinking and overthinking.
Okay.
Risk is always there. Even if we drive till on the road, there's a risk. Nothing is without risk.
Okay.
Only you have to analyze that risk. And known risk is always better than unknown danger.
Since we are at the end of our podcast,
Okay.
so I want you to say one line to end this podcast which makes total sense what we discussed, and it gives a pay for next podcast.
See, one line I can say, that's if you are behind hype, you're chasing for hype and you're chasing for small offers, then this is not for you. But if you want a real investment advice, a practical advice, an experience, then you're at a correct place.
Okay.
A honest advice,
Okay.
then this is for you. The person who is always behind, hype, no, this is not for them.
Okay.
Because we are not gonna make any hype here.
Okay.
It's a simple informative. We are giving information to the people. That's it.
So thank you for sharing all the knowledge which you possess today, and I'm hoping to continue the podcast next session, which I'm
Sure.
hoping to go deep into
Sure,
Dubai's real
sure,
estate,
sure.
and with an end in real estate, patience is not waiting; it's all about choosing wisely. Thank you.
Thank you for having me here. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.